Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.